Hey, what's up everybody? Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So I have all the Redmi K70 series phones, the Pros, and the 70E, and the standard version. And today in this video is, as usual, just the first look. And tomorrow I will do the unboxing and test everything. So stay tuned for that, alright? Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is the Redmi K70 Pro. This is the back. As you can see, we have 50 megapixel OIS and 2 times optical on the back. The highlights seems like they have a really solid camera and Redmi logo here. And to be honest, I really like this kind of finish. It feels like really good, really good, comfortable. Not either to get the fingerprints or smudges. I would use it without a phone case, to be honest. And here, the aluminum alloy middle frame. That's really the normal Redmi design, right? Here and on top. Okay, and obviously this time Xiaomi still offers the Hyper OS. Let's just check out Hyper OS. Redmi K70. So these are the specs. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Woo! 5000 mAh battery. The resolution 3000 by 4040. 6.67 inch screen. And the rear camera 50 plus 12 plus 50. And front camera is 16 megapixel. So this is the backlight. I really like this beauty effect. It makes me really good. Okay, backlight not bad. Looks really good. Let me check really quickly about the front resolution. So 1080 30 fps. Okay, supports up to 1080 60 fps. Okay, not 4K. Yeah, I don't expect that. 4K. And then let's move to the rear camera. So for the rear camera, it supports up to 4K. No, check it out. Jeez, 8K 24. Supports up to 8K 24. So supports 4K 60 FPS. Woo, I like it. Let's just take a little bit more photos. All right. Let's check if it's stable. I will do a really detailed one tomorrow. So seems very stable, right? Not still have that kind of breathing effect. But yeah, I will do a very detailed one tomorrow. So subscribe if you haven't. So that's the white color. Let's check out other colors. Wow, really good. Wow, I like it. Black color. Green color. Or 70E. So 64 AI camera. Another color. Okay.